Replacing a door is a significant home improvement project that can improve both the aesthetics and security of your home. However, it's easy to make costly mistakes during the process. Jacksonville Beach homeowners looking to upgrade their doors should be aware of common pitfalls that can lead to unnecessary expenses or dissatisfaction. Here are some mistakes to avoid when replacing your door. Not considering the climate. Jacksonville Beach is known for its humid subtropical climate, with hot summers and mild winters. This environmental factor is essential when selecting the right door. Some materials, like solid wood or steel, may warp, expand, or contract due to the moisture and temperature fluctuations. To ensure your door lasts and performs well over time, choose a material that is resistant to humidity, such as fiberglass or composite doors. These materials not only withstand the local climate better but also require less maintenance compared to wood doors, which may need sealing or refinishing every few years. Ignoring proper door measurements. One of the most common mistakes homeowners make when replacing a door is not taking accurate measurements. A door that doesn't fit perfectly in its frame can lead to energy inefficiency, difficulty in opening and closing, and even security issues. Before purchasing a new door, make sure to measure the door frame carefully. Be sure to account for the width, height, and depth of the frame, as well as the type of door swing, left or right. If you are unsure, it's wise to consult with a professional to avoid any costly errors. Choosing the wrong style for your home. While it's important to choose a door that suits your personal taste, it's equally essential to ensure that the style aligns with the architecture and aesthetic of your home. Jacksonville Beach is home to a variety of styles, from coastal cottages to modern beach homes. If you're replacing a front door, you want it to complement the exterior of your house and add curb appeal. For example, a classic wooden door may be a better fit for a traditional home, while a sleek, contemporary design might suit a modern or minimalist home. Take time to explore different options and think about how the door will enhance the overall look of your property. Skipping security features. A door is one of the most critical elements of home security. Don't make the mistake of focusing solely on aesthetics when choosing a replacement door. While the door's appearance is important, it's crucial to select one with strong security features, particularly if it's a main entryway. Look for doors with solid construction, secure locking mechanisms, and impact-resistant glass. Some doors come with added security features like reinforced frames or multi-point locking systems. These options are worth considering to protect your home from potential break-ins. Opting for low-quality materials. It may be tempting to cut costs by opting for a cheap, low-quality door. However, this can be a costly mistake in the long run. A cheap door may not be as energy efficient or durable, and it may not provide the security you need. Additionally, low-quality materials may not hold up well against the salty air and moisture found in Jacksonville Beach, leading to wear and tear more quickly. Investing in a quality door made from long-lasting materials will save you money on repairs or replacements down the line and improve your home's energy efficiency. Neglecting proper installation. Even the best door won't perform well if it's not installed properly. A poorly installed door can result in gaps, misalignment, and reduced energy efficiency. It's crucial to hire an experienced professional for the installation to ensure the door fits perfectly and functions as intended. A professional installer will also make sure that the door is sealed correctly to prevent drafts, water damage, and insects from entering your home. Not considering energy efficiency. With Jacksonville Beach's warm climate, energy efficiency is a major concern for homeowners. A door that lets in drafts or isn't properly insulated can cause your energy bills to skyrocket, especially during the hot summer months. When choosing a new door, consider the energy efficiency features such as insulated cores, energy-efficient glass, and weather stripping. Look for doors that have a high Energy Star rating to ensure your new door helps regulate your home's temperature and reduces your energy consumption. Conclusion: replacing your door in Jacksonville Beach is an investment that can enhance your home's curb appeal, security, and energy efficiency. By avoiding these common mistakes, such as selecting the wrong materials, neglecting proper installation, and ignoring energy efficiency, you can ensure that your new door meets your needs and lasts for years to come. With careful planning and attention to detail, you'll be able to enjoy the many benefits of a well-chosen, well-installed door.